Hey, what's up guys? So today we're making a copy for a 2016 Ford Focus. Customer has their key, provided a copy, and we're about to program. So we're going to be using Tel K100 and detected is what happened? Okay, he won't. No worries. Ford. Hold on, we're gonna need some Wi-Fi. Okay. Selection. Ford. USA. Focus. Lady key. Yes. Hot function. Add key guided. Take original key. Start car. Okay. So it's about to access security. It's about to access the security. We'll be right back. Okay. And there it is. Let's see if it's does. Okay. 2016 Ford Focus. Now all we have to do is program the remote and we should be good.